Can you speak to some of the complexities that African governments had to navigate early on during the pandemic in terms of sourcing vaccines and the challenges that they face with global partners to be able to get vaccines to their citizens in the most vulnerable places on the continent and in the world?
There were multiple sources of these vaccines, and governments had to make a choice on which of the vaccines coming from the different countries. Many governments took all the vaccines, no matter the choice of the vaccines that were provided through some of the aid platforms. Some governments, like Zimbabwe, remained with the vaccines that they had registered first and requested all other aid to be used for procurement of these vaccines that are registered for Zimbabwe. But again, as I said before, this is a governance issue, and government should be able to take the lead and make the right choices by investing in what will be the most efficient and profitable for their populations, including the type of vaccines, because these vaccines had linkages to cold chain, and you have to make sure that the vaccines you're bringing in are able to be stored correctly and deployed to the hard-to-reach areas on time. You had to make sure that you are assertive enough to be able to not take vaccines that are expiring in a very short lifespan, which you won't be able to deliver before they expire, and you have a symmetry of vaccines when your population is not vaccinated. So these are all some of the elements, but as I said, it all linked to governance and leadership by our different governments on the continent.